Hello and welcome to the Bharat Speaks show, and I'm your host Bharat Kumar Gudinarva, and you are listening to the Bharat Speaks Virginals. So today let's talk about something that begins in global geopolitics, but it ends in the kitchens of millions of Indian households. That is the LPG supply. So the ongoing tensions involving the United States, Iran, and Israel have created an uncertainty around the Strait of Hormuz, which is one of the world's most critical energy routes. So a significant portion of global oil and gas shipments moves through this narrow passage called Strait of Hormuz. So when tensions rise there, automatically energy markets react immediately. So for a country like India, which depends heavily on imported energy, such disruptions can tighten supply chains and it can increase pressure on domestic fuel availability. So this situation highlights an important lesson, which is global conflicts don't stay confined to borders. So they travel through trade routes, they travel through energy markets, and mainly they travel eventually affect our everyday life. So this is what happening in India, and this is what LPG crisis is. So happy listening, happy investing, and stay safe. Thanks for listening.